So in a previous video where I was discussing SQL joins, I made a statement that you'll always need two tables for a join to work, at least two. And then I thought about it, and that's not always the case. I forgot at that time about a different kind of join called a self join, and that's where you basically join a table to itself, right? So a self join, there's not a special syntax for a self join. You basically use you can use your regular inner join or left join, or you can even join it in the where clause, but there's not something called a self join like there is with the left, outer, inner. So this is like a different kind of join. So you might be asking yourself right now, you might ask yourself, why would I join a table to itself? That doesn't sound like it makes sense. There are quite a few scenarios where it does make sense. And it depends on the way the tables are structured, obviously. But if you have a table that has data in it that has a parent-child relationship or like a hierarchical relationship, like an example would be the manager's ID is stored in in an employee table, and you want to see which employees fall under that manager. Or if a salesperson has a region and you want to see which salespeople fall in the region and it's stored in the same table, you might use a self join to better structure your data. There's essentially anytime you're creating a comparison within a table. So you might want to list pairs within the table, like a bunch of combinations. You could actually cross join a table with itself. Cross join, specify two fields and do a cross join, and you can spit out a bunch of pairs between two columns of the same table. There's other, if you're trying to find duplicates, if you're trying to find duplicate data inside of a table, that's another time that you might want to use a comparison in a self join. So I'm speaking at a high level about how you can use the self join to solve real life problems, but I know if you actually see an example, that it'll make it a lot easier to understand and be able to apply it yourself. So in the next video, I'm going to show you some real life examples of using a self join on a table that we are going to create. And if you want to learn more about that, make sure to subscribe and click the notifications so you don't miss out on that video. So thanks for joining me. Hope to see you in the next one.